I am fully present, but totally.
You have a problem with me, fucker?
Don't. They're already here, rappelling onto the roof. Prodigious ain't the half of it.
Retreat! Everyone, retreat!
We're the last line of defense. If we fall, the diamond falls. I'll stay here and guard the elevator. You all clean them up.
You cocksucker!
Hey, cover! These facilities are for members only. They're down on the lower level patio. Get over there. Watch the balcony.
Come on, Ben! Out of ammo! Reload! Mendoza's hit! Mendoza's been fucking hit! Oh!
Let's go! I got you.
Retreat!
Clown. I better get a tip for this. Behind the infinity pool. That's where they're coming from. They are on ropes. Hitting cover.
Withdraw!
Hit the ground. And it's on.
Drop him!
You dope. Clown.
No way!
This ain't the kind of security work I signed up for.
Son of a bitch!
Head over to the racetrack side of the roof. There's a group of them over there.
Need assistance! We have a man down! Asshole! Just me! Try to reload! You cock!
They're already here, rappelling onto the roof. Prodigious ain't the half of them. Get down! I'll stay here and guard the elevator. You all clean them up. Down!
Fall back!
I don't know who trained these soldiers, but I wish they hadn't.
Fuck you, Ben! Look at me! You fucking the wrong soldier! Someone's down!
Hit the ground! We're the last line of defense. If we fall, the diamonds fall. Go clean out the lower deck.
No way! Everybody dump!
Don't.
Dick, hit the floor! You wanna play with me? Fuck! Jesus, shit! Mendoza hit! Mendoza's been fucking hit!
Clown?
Fucking hit! Man down! Retreat! Everyone, retreat!
They're shooting. Don't. Down.
Reload!
Come on! Clown? Get down! It's all! These facilities are for members only.
Time to reload! Back it up!
Ass. They are on road. Hit the ground. Let's go. Dope. Clown. Okay, thanks. Dope. They wanted war, and it looks like we got it. Head over to the racetrack side of the roof. There's a group of them over there. Clown?
You scumbag! Hit the deck! Everybody go!
Some of them are going.
Oh, fuck! Shit!
Jesus!
Are you fucking kidding me?
I need you up on the helipad. Use the ladder at the far end to get up there. It looks like these Duggins didn't spare any expense. They got the drop on us. Eyes up.
You motherfucking cocksucker! ¡Estás muerto!
ain't the kind of security work I signed up for.
Drop him!
Okay, is that all of them? Come back to me at the elevator. Well, they were formidable, all right. But maybe not formidable enough.
Thank you. Good lord.
Oh, you showed those Texas cocksnots. Boom! You were incredible. Yeah, me too. You know what? We should make an action movie.
We have to end this, or we really will be sitting on a pile of rubble.
I will speak to my uncle.
Yes, whatever we need to do. So sorry about all of this.
I've brought some champagne.